What's up, my viewers? We are playing Microwave Dinner. It's basically like Mario. It's actually pretty fun. How do I get up there? It's kind of like parkour, but like a little bit easier. What? Yo, this is the iOS. Open up. I guess I can't steal all their money and say they need to pay their taxes. Are you kidding me? Bam! So, I'm gonna be telling a story while I'm playing this. So, one time when I was trying to play this game, something funny happened when I was trying to load it up. I got a notification and said, Mario is waiting. It's actually kind of funny because this is like Mario, and when I was trying to load it up, this random game just said Mario Speed 199999, the best tune 891. I have no idea what that means. But hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. Sorry for my schedule. If anyone's watching this, if anyone's watching this, it's mostly because of like me working on school. Summer just started. I'm going outside. I'm actually touching grass. Like, I've been doing some crazy things that I would never normally do. You know, I'm gonna come back to that castle. Right now, I think I should go for this. So I need to just do this. Boom, 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 boom. You know, I'm just trying to get out all this stuff, and now it's time for the castle. For me, this kind of feels like Only Up. I'm getting those Only Up vibes on this game. Ow. I said a full of Tommy said for me. I said a full of me. I hope you guys like and subscribe because I've been working really hard for this video. You know, the preparations, trying to actually find the game. But hopefully you guys like these videos because I work really hard on them. Some people say I don't, but I do. That's why it takes me so long to upload sometimes. Well, I have like 15 videos, but I'm trying to like add funny memes. I'm probably gonna put this video in CapCut and add some stuff, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video. But I'm going to just stay right here. I am not gonna say anything about this game besides the name if you want to play it. Like, personally, I feel like this is a really good game, and I've tried developing. It is very like hard. So whoever this guy is, congratulations, because you've cooked like so good. Because I love this game. I'm very picky about games, you know. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay. I need 500. By the way, I already like microwaves, like, just think they're cool. Microwave team, microwave best silverware, for me at least. That's not for the time. Well, I expected more in this castle. Well, maybe once at the end of the video I'll have 500, but I only have 130. But why are... Like I was trying to say, why are all these people so bad at this game? Like, I swear. Like, how do you die by rolling off the edge? And by the way, guys, subscribe if you think that guy was stupid. You don't have to subscribe if you think he's stupid. You're not at gunpoint. I mean, you don't have to. But I'm just saying, man.